So here we're gonna be opening the Kingston. So here's the trick. It's a T6 type of screw that you're gonna be using. I was able to remove the first one. So again, it's T6 torque screw. Okay. Then we're gonna continue removing the other. Yep. So all screws are gone now. Again, I had some issues pulling on those screws, so I used the T6 torque screw. I think that's what they call it. But on some case, I used this 1.1 negative type of screw to make it to make the hole much bigger, so I can use this one. So yep. Okay.